So dito tayo sa loob ng Sagrada Familia. Ayan, so yan ang altar doon. Grabe, massive.
Yeah. Gooi maar.
So kasama natin ng mga delegates ng ICMA World Conference, mga 300 plus kami worldwide delegates. So papunta kami ng Sagrada Familia. Ito na.
Ja, kijk, dat is sowieso kapitein heb je natuurlijk sleutelpositie. Als ik heb problemen.
Going concept. Okay, so dito na kami, paparating na kami sa Sagrada Familia dito sa Barcelona. Alas 10 ng gabi na dyan sa Bangkok, at dito ay alas 5 pa lang. Alright.
Lovely. Have you ever been inside?
Not yet. This is my first time, yeah, going construction.
So I think it's
Alright, so dito na tayo sa harapan ng Sagrada Familia. Ito. Ayan.
They made it out of this.
So this is the exit area.
The exit area.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
where are we going to enter?
There. Alright. Grabe. So ito si Father John Mission.
Hello. Wow.
Okay, so director ng Stella Maris Philippines. Taga Cebu. Okay. Pakita natin sa mga seaman natin. Wow. Ayan, so dito na tayo. Wow. Massive. Napaka laki. So ito, papasok na tayo ng Sagrada Familia dito sa VIP Pass. VIP Pass tayo. Grabe. What's up? Replica. That's the only way you're going to get a picture of the whole thing. Yeah, it's nice. Wow. Taas.
Would you like to be helpful? Sorry, my helpers are in the back. Give one to each person.
Ayan, so nakapasok na kami dito sa gate nila. Sobrang strict yung para kang pumasok sa immigration. Yung gate nila dito. Ayan, pasok na tayo. So ito na yung loob ng Sagrada Familia.
Perfecto, sí, que empezaba a
Ito yung main altar nila. Yun, may ilaw na. So, laki.
With the temple, now without a later temple. The board offered the position to Margaret, who turned it down on ethical grounds, as it proved to go that the
So ito yung kanilang chapel sa ilalim ng basilika. Isang ilaw.